Hello, I'm Simon Pack, an Associate Professor of Finance. This is a brief information session on the finance concentration in the MBA program at Penn State. If your career interest is in the field of finance, the finance concentration will help you better prepare for positions in financial management or investment management with advanced knowledge in financial markets, multinational managerial finance, and investment portfolio management. Positions in corporate finance include financial managers, financial analysts, treasurers, and portfolio managers in companies from small companies to large multinational corporations, in manufacturing, investment banking, commercial banking, private wealth management, real estate finance, and consulting services. According to the latest projection on occupations with the most job growth by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the financial managers category has the highest median wage in 2016, and employment is projected to grow by 18.7% in 10 years from 2016 to 2026, while the all occupations category is projected to grow at 7.4% during the same period. You learned from the financial management class that finance is about the decision-making under uncertainty involving cash flows over time, such as investment decision and financing decision. The finance concentration program will prepare students in decision-making with advanced knowledge as a corporate financial manager to maximize the shareholder value, or as an investment manager to construct and manage portfolios of financial assets optimized in risk and return. The finance concentration program is composed of 3 courses: multinational financial management, analysis of financial markets, and the portfolio theory and policy. The financial management course, MBA DM 820, is the only prerequisite course for all 3 courses. I will describe briefly each course, starting with the multinational managerial finance. The multinational managerial finance course extends the theories in financial management to international setting and prepares students for a career in financial management in a global setting. Emphasis is on the environmental and institutional factors influencing capital acquisition and allocation. The course integrates global financial markets and the multinational enterprise-centric dimensions from practitioner's perspective. You will analyze global business risks and opportunities facing multinationals and how these 2 dimensions impact corporate financial strategies. This course helps students appreciate the strategic motivations, decision processes, and the valuation consequences in global financial strategies of multinational corporations. The course facilitates developing the ability among students to plan, implement, and evaluate value-adding strategies in the context of opportunities and risks in the global business and the financial markets. In this course, you will learn 6 main topics: developing an analytical framework for planning, implementing, and evaluating multinational financial strategies, understanding the functioning and structure of global financial markets, and assessing their role in shaping corporate strategies in investing, financing, and risk management, estimating foreign exchange risks and designing and implementing hedging strategies, making investing and the financing decisions in multinational firms in global markets based on the risk-return trade-off framework, estimating the cost of capital for multinational firms and applying it in financial decision-making, such as project selection and capital budgeting, and finally, assessing political risks in international markets and the planning strategies to minimize their adverse impact on corporate performance. The course in Analysis of Financial Market analyzes the factors affecting price determination in financial markets. A financial market is a market where borrowers and lenders trade financial securities and commodities and value the prices of securities based on supply and demand. The instruments traded include stocks, bonds, and commodities such as precious metals, industrial materials, and agricultural products. Students will analyze macroeconomic and financial market forces that affect corporate strategies. The course covers topics critical to both corporate financial managers and investment portfolio managers. The topics include analysis of the impact of macroeconomic conditions and policies on financial markets, the determinants of interest rates, term structure of interest rates, asset pricing in bond and equity markets, and exchange rates in foreign exchange markets. The course also explores the impact of monetary policy and regulations in determining the risk-return dynamics in financial markets. From this course, students will come away with a broad understanding in structure of global financial markets and their role in shaping corporate strategies, including risk management, functioning of foreign currency markets, and the determination of foreign exchange rates in the short and long run, understanding of risks associated with the various financial securities and commodities, hedging strategies using financial derivatives such as futures, forward, swaps, and options, and the role of central banks in managing global crises with monetary policies. The Portfolio Theory and Policy course covers topics in investment portfolio management. The course examines and analyzes the behavior of asset holders under conditions of risk and uncertainty. The primary focus is on the design of stock portfolios with a performance optimized in risk and return trade-off using real-world financial data. The course provides a framework for investment management in a changing investment environment. The main topics and takeaways include analyzing the properties and risk and return of optimal portfolios, understanding the issues and tools in a portfolio management, evaluating the portfolio performance. The topics covered in this course are of critical importance to investment portfolio managers. If your career interest is in the finance area and you have done well in the financial management course MBA DM 820, the finance concentration may be for you. For any follow-up questions, please feel free to contact me or Dr. Patrick Chang, the professor in charge of the Master of Finance program. Thank you.